Hello everybody, I'm Lacquer Lover, and today I'm back with this Gfriend Sunrise music video inspired nail art. I really like the color combination and the whole aesthetic of the music video, which really inspired me to do this nail look. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. As usual, start by applying a layer of base coat to all of your fingernails. Then paint your index and middle fingernails coral, your ring fingernail purple, your pinky nail blue, and your thumbnail white. Then apply a layer of liquid latex on the skin around your middle and ring fingernails. Start with the gradient for the index fingernail, so you want orange and purple for this one. Go ahead and sponge that on until it is opaque. For the ring fingernail, you want the purple on the left and the blue on the right. And go ahead and sponge that on until it is opaque. Then take a pair of tweezers and remove the liquid latex. Apply a generous layer of top coat to smooth out the gradient. So now that all the bases are ready, on your index fingernail you want to draw the sun design. So you want to start with 4 longer lines to mark the space, and then you want to go in between that and draw some other lines of the same length, but then in between those longer lines you want to draw like shorter tick marks, and repeat this around the whole circle. For the middle fingernail, you want to start with a circle in the middle of the nail. Then draw a thinner circle on the inside. On the left part of the circle, you want to thicken it, so you want to focus on kind of the middle, and we're going to draw a crescent moon. To the right, draw a plus, and then extend that plus to your right, and then draw another outer ring around the circles we've drawn so far. From the second ring, draw a vertical line to the top and then 2 slanted lines to form a triangle, and do the same at the bottom, and also do that to the left side. Then between these protruding triangles, you want to draw some smaller triangles that are between the 2 rings. For the ring finger, start by drawing yet another circle in the middle of your nail. Then draw a smaller circle in the right side of the circle that you just drew. Make sure to fill this in. Then add more gold polish so that the negative space looks more like a crescent moon. For the thumbnail, start by applying these warm shades in the following order onto a sponge so that we can sponge that on for a gradient. Once you're satisfied with it, remove the latex barrier. I'm so sorry, I totally forgot to film the part where I draw the mountains, but it was really like following a Bob Ross tutorial, like when I was looking at the reference image. But anyways, on top of the mountains, you just want to draw the trees in black, and you're really just brushing on a small amount of polish and making it look wispy so it looks as natural as possible. Then I use some watered down purple polish to kind of mark the mountains and make sure they are visible on top of the gradient. Also use a mixture of pink and purple on top to blend that line in. On top, write Sunrise in cursive as it is written on the LP that Cindy holds in one of the scenes. I just want to apologize for how out of focus and blurry this is right here. You can still kind of see what I'm doing, so I decided to include it anyways. Next, you just want to apply a generous layer of top coat to all of your fingernails, and it's especially important for this design because there are so many lines and small details that you float your brush across the top so as not to smear the design. So that was it for this Gfriend Sunrise music video inspired nail art. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, Lacquer Lover, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye everyone!